honestly, I can walk with one crutch probably maybe 20 steps. And then I almost get into a little bit of a panic attack and feel like I have to grab for anything that's around, whether it's a wall or a crutch or something. And that's about as far as I can do with the one crutch.
And so in the house, are you still using both the crutches in the house most of the time?
Yes. Other than, to be honest with you, I use one. I have a narrow hallway. When I go down that hallway, I'll use the one crutch because I feel like I have the walls on both sides if I need them. Once I get into like the open living room, dining room, kitchen area, I go back to the two crutches.
Have you ever experienced that with your patients? Because I've heard that a lot, actually, like having that anxiety when you're walking out in the open or out in public around people.
Yeah. Well, for me, I mean, yes, of course, with my patients, but it's like even myself, depending on where I'm walking, I'm always looking way ahead of where my steps will be. So even for myself for 29 years, getting different prosthetics at different times, always try to refer back to physical therapy. So, but yeah, for 29 years, it's still the same,
Yeah. And I think it's important for patients, even especially new amputees, but even in the process, if you ever lose that confidence, you should always go back to physical therapy. And I think it just helps improve your confidence and obviously your strength and balance and all that. So